What is that, Polly?
Elmo!
Elmo's world.
Elmo!
Yay, it's Elmo. Elmo.
He wants to bop him.
Look.
Happy first birthday, Paul!
Mom, this is great.
What's that?
Mom.
It's Paul's first birthday. Happy birthday, Paul!
Happy birthday.
Number 1.
Polly's turning 1 and he just woke up from his nap.
Happy birthday, boy.
Whoa, he's crazy for balloons.
And who's in the background finally?
Me.
There's Alan.
Narrator. I'll take all this.
Thumbs up the video. There's a big thumbs up right there. Thumbs up and subscribe if you want more videos.